everybody, my name is Kara and I am a fellow with Sseko Designs, and I'm here to show you a fun new ribbon tie today. So as you can see, I already started. I have the ribbons evenly pulled through the center loop here, and I also took each side and threaded them through the front side loops to create this little flip-flop look. So now we're going to complete the tie. The first thing that we do is we want to create an X. So we take each side of the ribbon and tuck it underneath the ribbon on the opposite side. Okay, it should create an X, and we're going to pull it tight. As you can see here, we are starting out the same way that we do Believe in Me, but we're just going to finish it off a little bit different. So the next thing that we do is we take the side and we loop it over and then underneath the next one. We do the same on the other side, over and underneath, and then we put this one underneath this top one here. And then we want to pull tight, and you may need to adjust a little bit to make the ribbons show exactly how you want, and we need to make sure that we're tightening it as we go. Okay, so now it's nice and tight. Now the Believe in Me, let me fix this little spot here. So the Believe in Me, now you would just finish and tie it off around your ankle, but I am going to show you a way to finish it off where you can just wear it slip-on. So we're going to put the ends through the back loops. Do the same for the other side. Okay, now we're going to take the inside strap, come up to the opposite side, and loop it over top of this one, and then underneath the top. And we're going to do the same thing for the other side. Go over top of this part of the X and underneath and over top and loop back around. And the next thing that we're going to do is we're just going to do the braiding technique down the whole side this way, and then we'll do the same on the other side. So the braiding technique, we just went underneath here and over top, and now we're going to do the opposite on the way back. So we're going to go underneath and then over top, and just repeat that all the way down the side. And you may need to tighten it as you go so that it doesn't loosen up as you walk. Okay, and then once you're down here, you can tuck it in or tie it off, however you prefer to do it. I'm just going to tuck mine in here for the purposes of the video, and then we'll do the other side. So we're going to go over top, underneath, over top, underneath, and then get started on this side as well. and then tuck it in on the sides. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'd be happy to help you. Bye.